Hi guys, how are you doing today? I miss you all so much. Here are some exercises and words to practice your TH sound. Now remember, when you make TH, you stick your tongue out and blow. Do it again with me. Stick your tongue out and blow. Now let's say TH in syllables. Say what I say. They, thee, thy, though, thou. Okay, now let's say these words. Say the. Now say what I say. The cat is in the basket. The cat is in the basket. Good. Now say the word that. That. Now let's say it in a sentence. That game was fun to play. Say it again. That game was fun to play. Now say what I say. This. Say, this is an excellent video. Say what I say. This is an excellent video. Now say the word there. There. Say what I say. There were people riding bikes yesterday. There were people riding bikes yesterday. Okay, feel free to replay this video to practice your TH sound. Bye for now, guys.